Hi, I'm Charan. I made this project like using React. As you can see, this project works perfectly fine. When I see like move over here, this project like nothing will happen. When I hover over the select button, the list will appear. When I click on yes, as you can see, it has been selected and displayed over here. Again, if I go over here, again property. When I click on properly not, it'll the list will also close and it will update here also. Okay, now let me show you the coding part. First one, this is the index.html page, and this is the CSS page which I use for all styling and all. And this is the index.html JS page where you can see I have like update just rendered the project here, made and created an React DOM create root and have rendered here app dot. When we go for app, I'm just calling the drop down. When you see in drop down, everything works here. First I'm creating like is active for to toggle over the to toggle this thing. I'm using is active, and I'm using lists use state to like the list which I'm getting here. I'm using that over here, and value to display here. Example, if things if first I have applied null, there will be no value. When I go select s, and s will be inside this will be inside the value, so it will display here. And you can see there are three functions. One is on click handler, two functions, on click handler and on mouse hover. This result function, this result variable is like to iterate, it will iterate throughout all this whatever the array has, and it will make an anchor tag, so I can display it over here like this one. How many array elements there, we have that many anchor tags here. And here when you see here, there's a code for this thing. First, like a drop down class, and should we update here question and a value which will display here this one. And button, if I click on mouse enter, when I enter here it should like change that. See this one, this function is for, it'll call this function, and I'll call this function, and it will be like set active to true, in the sense active true, in the sense it will go. You can see this thing, right? The class of drop down content, this content will be set to false first. When it is true, it will be in block. When it is false, it will be none, it will assign, so we can, it will be visible and not visible. And result is the thing which we get after like rendering through all the after like going through all the array list, and it will display over here. And as you can see in this array list, on on click handler, when I click on it, it should it'll, or it'll take, when I click on it, it will go here, it will change, it will take the content what is inside and display it over here. And it will set the value as false, so this will disappear. Okay, this is my project. I Okay, thank you, have a nice day.